Oobla talk, Conwick Pizzy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others. And let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Now it's that time for our Husky of the Week. Our Husky of the Week has one sister and two brothers. Likes to paint and draw. Likes to ride around and go swimming during the summer. And likes to travel, and most recently was one of the students who went to Shishmaref for the Steamfest. Can you guess who our Husky of the Week is? I'm sure many of you guessed correct. Our Husky of the Week is Tiara. Now, Tiara works hard to stay caught up on her assignments, and she takes her time during art class and creates beautiful works of art. Until next week, this is our Husky of the Week. Now it's that time where we circle up and check in. Our questions for today are as follows. What type of art do you like to make the most? And if you've been to art camp before, what is your favorite art camp memory? Please take a minute or two to circle up and discuss these questions. And afterwards, there's a slideshow of the first day of art camp. I hope everyone has a terrific Tuesday.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy.